Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix coverage expired on iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. This is essential for troubleshooting. Next, open the Settings app, swipe down and access the Control Center. Then press and hold the power button to turn off your iPhone. Wait a few seconds and power it back on. Next, once your phone is back on, go to Settings, click General, and go to Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to fix any potential bugs. Go back to the General menu, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This can help fix coverage-related issues. Now head to Settings and go to iPhone Storage and check how much space you have left. If your storage is nearly full, try deleting some files or apps to free up space. Finally, power off your phone one more time. Wait a few moments and then turn it back on. And that's it. That's how to fix coverage expired on iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.